is full of love but none compares to you. How are you so handsome? How are you so sweet? How can someone be more precious than me? I can't explain it, I can't hold it inside. All I know is I love you, can't let it hide. Every glance, every